Good morning, children. So in the last class, we discussed how to find the logarithm and anti-logarithm. Is that no? How to find logarithm and anti-logarithm. So in this class, we are going to learn how to apply logarithm and we have to do the calculations. Okay, application of logarithms we are going to discuss now. Okay, write the heading, applications of logarithms. Applications of logarithms. Applications of logarithms. So to apply the logarithm property, we learn few formula there, rules are there. Okay, some rules are there. Applications of logarithms, some rules are there. Okay, whether we discussed these rules earlier, whether we discussed about the rules, yes or no? Yes. What is log m to the base a plus log n to the base a? We can write this as, and we can write this as log mn. Is that no? Whether we have discussed this one or not? And if it is in division, what is log m to the base a minus log n to the base a? If it is in division, we'll be writing this as subtraction. Log of m by n to the base a. And what is the next property we have learned? Log m to the raise, log m raised to n to the base a will be equivalent to power, we can take it to the front. So log m to the base a. Using these properties, we are going to do the calculations. Okay, we are going to apply logarithm and we are going to find how to do the calculation simple in a simple manner. Okay, write the question. Evaluate 0.009 whole raised to 1 by 3. 0.009 whole raised to 1 by 3. Okay, so to do this, what we are going to do, in order to evaluate this, first you name this as x. We name this as x. Then take log on both sides. So log x will be same as log of 0.009 whole raised to 1 by 3. You take log on both sides. When we take log on both sides, log x is equal to log of 0.009 whole raised to 1 by 3. And we have learned one property. Log m raised to n will be same as n log m. Is or no? We can take the power to the front. So we can write this as 1 by 3 log of 0.009. Log of 0.009. Now we want to find the log. Log of 0.009. How to find the log of 0.009? Okay, log of a number contains two parts. It contains two parts. Which are the two parts? Characteristic part and mantissa. Characteristic and mantissa. For this number, how will you calculate the characteristic part? How will you find the characteristic part? If a number is less than 1, what you will do? We will count and see how many zeros. 2 zeros plus 1. So minus 3, isn't it? So it is same as 3 bar. It will be same as 3 bar point. How to find the characteristic part? Are you able to recall it? How many zeros are there? You have to count, add. With that, you have to add 1. So 2 zeros, 2 plus 1, 3. And if it is less than 1, we will be writing bar. Bar means negative. So 3 bar point 009. You have to take the log. Now use the table. From the table, open the table. In your book, you have the log table. Find out what is the value of log 9 from the table. Calculate it from the table. Okay. From the table, calculate What is log 9? Calculate and give me the answer. We want to find log 9, isn't it? Log 9, what is it? Look at this. Log 9 means here it starts from 1, isn't it? So you can start from 90, 90, 90 you can take. You can take the next one, 90. So 90, what you will get? For 90, look at the value. For 900, what is the value? Is it 9542? Is it 9542? Krishna Gandhi? Pranav? From the table, log table, is it clear, children? Okay, for 900, so it is 9542. It is 9542. So you have to substitute it there. You can substitute it there. So when we substitute it, what you will get? One by 3 into 3 bar point 9542. Now you divide it. You divide this by 3. So what is this? Listen, 3 bar means actually minus 3 plus minus 3 plus 0.9542 by 3. Listen, children, 3 bar means it is minus 3 plus 0.9542. So what you will get? We can write this in 3, that is minus 3 by 3 plus 0.9542 by 3. Minus 3 by 3 plus 0.9542 by 3. So we will get minus 3 by 3 means it is minus 1 plus minus 1 plus, when you divide it by 3, 0.3186. Isn't it? 6 3s are 18, 20, 866, like this it will go. So it will be same as minus 1 plus 0.3187 minus 1 plus 0.3187. So this is log x. This is the log value. So in order to find the value, we have to take antilog. This is log x. Now we have to use the antilog. So log x is this much. So we want to find antilog. Therefore, x is equal to antilog of minus 1 plus 0.3187. So now once again use the antilog table. While using antilog of this, so the previous up to this step, is it okay, Pranav? How we are using the log table? When we use the log table, we get the value of log x, but our aim is to find x. In order to find x, we have to take antilog. We have to take antilog. So again, you take the antilog table. Antilog table. So this is the antilog table. We want to find the antilog of, what is the value we have? Antilog of 3187. Antilog of 3187. So look at here, 31318. 318 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you'll get 2080, isn't it? Then 3187. For 7, what is the difference? That one also you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will get 4. Is it correct? It is 4. So you will get 2080 plus 4. So you'll get 0.2084. You'll get 2084. Okay, is it 2084? Abdul Aman? Up to this, is it okay? Taking antilog, is it clear?
Ma'am.
Pavitra? Okay.
Ma'am.
Now, after taking antilog, you write the value there. So it is, what is the value we got there? 2084. Now listen, we are taking the antilog of this decimal part, 0.3187. Now what is left out here? -1 is there, isn't it? -1. So what is -1? -1, whenever we take, okay, we have to keep the decimal. We have to move the decimal. What we did in the last class, we discussed how to find the antilog. So we are taking the antilog value and look at the part here. This part is used for fixing the decimal place. What is there? Along with you add 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, what you will get? 0. We'll get 0. Okay, so that means it is no places to be shifted. It is simply 0.2080. Suppose we get 1 means what you have tried? 2.08. If it is 1 means we'll be shifting it to the left. Now here it is 0. So keep the decimal there itself. 0.2084. 0.2084. So we've got the cube root of the given number. We are finding the cube root of 0.009. Children, you have to learn how to use the table. That is what needed here. How to use the log table. That is important.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 0.3187. So we'll get 2083.
One second. Do one more question. Not one or two more questions we are going to do. How to use the logarithm table, how to find log and antilog, that should be clear. Okay, now let us do the next one. Write the next one. Evaluate root of 31.67 into 42.36 by 9.25. By 9.25. How to do this? So we can take this as x. Root means first you write this in the power form. So this can be written as 31.67 into 42.36 by 9.25 whole raised to half. Whole raised to half. Root means power is 1 by 2. If it is given like this, cube root means what is the power? X raised to 1 by 3. Okay. If this is, okay, if it is fourth root, we can write this as x raised to 1 by 4. Okay. So if it is simply given root symbol means power is 1 by 2. Next step, you take log. You take log. So log x is equal to log of 31.67 into 42.36 by 9.25 raised to half. Raised to half. Now that half will come to the front. So half log of 31.67 into 42.36 by 9.25. Now we have one formula. What is log of a into b? If it is in multiplication, we can write this as log a plus log b. If it is in multiplication, we can write it as sum. And what is log of a by b? If it is in division, we can write this as log a minus log b. So now listen children, it is half log. We can write this as, okay, half of log. We are going to separate it. So in multiplication, if it is in multiplication, we can write this as plus log of 31.67 plus log of 42.36 minus log of 9.25. Okay, log of a into b means log a plus log b. Log of a by b means log a minus log b. So which one comes in the denominator? We have to write it as minus. Is it okay, Pranav? Vinay? Up to this, is it okay? Log of a by b means log a minus log b. If it is in multiplication, log a into b means we can write this as log a plus log b. Up to that, is it clear? Now we have to use the log table. Okay, so which is equivalent to half. If you take the first part, 31.67. We want to take the log of 31.67. First, you have to write the characteristic part. So before decimal, how many places are there? Before decimal, 2 places. So what will be the characteristic part? Characteristic part will be 1 point. Okay, if it is greater than 1, you count and see how many places are there before decimal. 2 places. 2 minus 1, it is 1. 1 point. Now use the log table. 3167. Use the log table. From the log table, find out what is 3167. Yes, 3167. So 31, then 6. So on the top you have 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it correct? 4997. 4997. So 316. Then we have to take for 7. For 7, if you move along the same line, 7, it is 10. Is it correct? Is it 10? So you add 10. So you add 10, 7, 0, 0, 5. 5, 0, 0, 7. 5, 0, 0, 7. Okay, children. Is it clear? Is it okay? Yes, Krishna Gandhi. Decimal is 3187 means you have to take the, for the decimal part only, you have to take the antilog. Okay. So now, so it will be 1 point. What is the answer we got here? 5007 plus. Now look at the next one. For the second one also we have to take log. Log contains 2 parts, characteristic part and mantissa. So look at the characteristic part. Before decimal, 2 places are there. So characteristic part will be 1. 1 point. Now you take 4236. 4236. 4236. 4236. So 42. 42, 0, 1, 2, 3. Is it 6263? 6263. 4, 2, 3. The next is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is again 6. So we'll get 6269. Is it correct? Is it correct? 6269, Abdulrahman?
Yes, ma'am.
6269. Is it correct, Pavitra? Krishna Gandhi? It is 6269. So So 1.6269 minus. Now take the log of 9.25. 9.25. What will be the characteristic part? So after before decimal, how many places are there? Only one place, isn't it? Only one place. So characteristic part will be number of places before decimal minus 1. So here it is one place. So 1 minus 1, it will become 0 point. 0 point. Now take the logbook and find the value of 925. 925. Okay, you have to take the 925. Yes, 925. So 925 means 92. 92, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So mean difference is not there. So you'll get only 9661. It will be 9661. Is it correct? Is it correct? 9661. So 0.9661. 0.9661. Children, up to this part, is it okay? Pranav. Krishna Gandhi, how to take law? Is it okay? Aman? Roseanne? What about Vinay? Roseanne, is it okay? Vinay, in the last class you are not there. I think whether you are able to take the log. Okay. Is it clear? No. Yes. Okay. Now apply the values there. We have to add all these values. You have to add all the values. It is half of, you add all the values. 1.5007, 1.6269. You add these two values. When you add these two values, it is 6, 7, 2, it is 3.1276. From here, you subtract 0.9661. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. It is again 6, 1. Is it correct? You check it, children. Do the calculation and check your answer. It's 2.1615. Now divide by 2. When you divide by 2, we will get 1.08075. 1.08075. But for taking antilog and all, we need only 4 places. So you can round off. You can round off and we can write like this. Log x is equal to 1.0808. Therefore, what is x? X is antilog of 1.0808. X is antilog of 1.0808. Okay, so now find, okay, now while taking antilog, we have to consider only this decimal part. Okay, don't bother about this 1 point. That one we will use afterwards. First, you take antilog of 0808. 0808, antilog 0808. Is it antilog? Yes. So you take 0808. 08. Here it is 080. Then 8 is 2. 0808. What is the answer you will get? 1202 plus the common difference is 2. So you'll get 1204. You get 1204. Okay, we get 1204. So substitute here. It is 1204. Now you take the part before decimal. Before decimal, we have one place, 1 point. It is 1 point. So what you have to do? How many places we have to shift the decimal? So if it is 1, 1 plus 1, what is it? 2. So we have to put, okay, we have to leave 2 places and then you have to give the dot. So it is 12.04. So answer is 12.04. When we add all those things, we'll get 12.04. Look at here. So we are not using the calculator, using the logarithm table. We are finding the value. So very complex functions and all. Okay, big functions and complex square root, cube root and all is there, means we can use the log table and we can do the calculation easily. Okay, it is 12.04. Finished? Okay. Okay. Aman, Vinay, shall I do a next one? Shall I do the next question? Write the next one. Next one. 48.86. 48.86 whole raised to 3/2 into 51.05 whole raised to 2/3 by 83.28 whole raised to 1/2. 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 So how to do this? So first step, you name this as x, isn't it? Next step, what you can do? We take log. So log x is equal to log of 48.86 whole raised to 3/2 into 51.05 whole raised to 2/3 by 83.28 whole raised to 1/2. Now use the property of log. Log a into b is log a plus log b. And log a by b is log a minus b. So if it is coming in multiplication, we can write this as addition. So 48.86 whole raised to 3/2 plus log 51.05 whole raised to 2/3 minus log 83.28 whole raised to 1/2. 83.28 whole raised to 1/2. Now what is the next step? Using the property log a raised to n, we can take the powers to the front. So 3/2 log of 48.86 plus 2/3 log of 51.05 minus 1/2 log of 83.28. Okay. So now you take the log 3/2 into log of 48.86. Log of 48.86. 48.86. So here characteristic point. Here before decimal we have 2 places. So characteristic point will be 1 point. Now take the log 4886. 4886. 4886. Okay. 4886. Yes, 4886. So 488. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll get 6884. Then 6, which is 5. So we get 6889. You get 6889. So 1.6889 plus 2 by 3 into 51.05. 51.05 means it is again 1 point. 1 point. Is it okay? Are you able to do it? Do it. Do it and check the answer. Do it by yourself and check the answer. 51.05. 51. 51.05. 51.05. Logarithms. 51.05. So we'll get 7076 plus 4. We'll get 7080. Is it correct, Krishna Gandhi? Are you getting 7080?
Yes, ma'am.
You are doing. Okay, do it. Yes. 7080. Minus half into 83.28. 1.8328. Again, use the log table. 8328. 8328. 83012. 9201 and 8. 8328. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8. So it is 4. So we'll get 9205. This 9205. 9205. Up to this part, is it okay? Is it clear? Are you getting like this? Are you checking the answer? Is it correct, Pranav? Are you getting up to this? So now the next step, what you have to do? You multiply this by 3 and divide by 2. 3 by 2 into 1.6889. Multiply that value by 3 and divide it by 2. 1.6889. Check it. Are you getting like this? 2.5335 plus again the next one 2 by 3 into 1.7080. So do the calculations and check your answers, children. Okay, check my answer, whether I'm doing correct. Check it. Are you getting like this? Check it. So this is x value, isn't it? So this is log x. Log x is 2.7120. So it will be x. X is antilog of 2.7120. You have to take the antilog of 7120. Antilog table. Is it antilog? Yes. 7120. 7120. Seven one two zero 7012. So 5152. It's 0. 0 you can leave. Is it 5152? Five one five two. So 5152. So here after decimal, okay, here before decimal we have 3 places, 2. So we have to shift the decimal 3 places. So 515.2. 515.2. Is it okay? Is it clear? Using log. Okay, this is how we use log and we do the calculations. Okay, complete this one, check it. Is it okay? So with this, the logarithm chapter is over, children. Okay. So in the next class, tomorrow's class onwards, we'll start with the new chapter, statistics. Okay. It's a big chapter, important chapter. More weightage is there for you because you have selected applied maths. From statistics, you'll be getting more questions. Okay. So tomorrow we'll be starting with the new chapter, statistics. So go through this part, go through this log and antilog, check whether you are able to take the values. Are you able to use the table? How to find the characteristic part, Mandisa and all. Is it clear? Check it. Okay. Okay, and for max, I have sent one assignment yesterday in from AP, 3 questions. Solve it and keep it ready for submission. Okay. Okay, children. With this, we wind up. Thank you.